Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Deimos in Rainbow Six Mobile. So, Deimos is an aggressive operator designed for tracking and hunting enemies. His main ability lets you mark a target and reveal their position for a short time, which makes him perfect for pushing and isolating enemies. And when you're using Deimos, the key is timing. Don't just activate his ability randomly, use it when you're about to engage or when you know an enemy is nearby. Once you mark a target, you'll be able to track their movement, so use that information to push smartly and catch them off guard. Deimos works best in one-on-one situations, so try to isolate enemies instead of rushing into groups. Use his tracking ability to pick off players one by one. Also, communication is a big advantage. If you're playing with a team, call out the enemy's position so your teammates can help you secure the kill. And finally, pair him with a good aim and map knowledge, since you'll often be chasing enemies. Knowing the layout will help you cut them off instead of just following them. And that's it. That's how you use Deimos in Rainbow Six Mobile and take advantage of his tracking ability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!